Good morning mga ka-showbiz! Latest update ulit tayo sa Barda. Title po ng video na bibigyan natin ng reaction ay David Licauco's family welcome Barbie Forteza with a gift. Disclaimer lang po mga ka-showbiz ha. Aalamin pa lang po natin at bibigyan ng reaction itong video na to. At ito po ay pinasa lang po sa akin. Kaya naman sama-sama nating itong panoorin at kayo na ang humusga. At ang video na to ay galing pala sa channel ni R Today's USA. Pero bago yan, kung hindi pa po kayo nakapag-subscribe dito sa ating channel, huwag nyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell para laging mauna ka sa mga bagong balitang showbiz.
David Licauco's siblings surprise Barbie Fora with a heartfelt gift as a sister-in-law welcome. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a touching story to share about David Licauco and Barbie Fora. It's all about love, family, and some delightful surprises. If you're a fan of these two, stay tuned because you won't want to miss this. In case you didn't know, David Licauco and Barbie Fora have been the center of attention lately. Their chemistry on screen is undeniable, but off-screen, it seems they are building something truly special together. Recently, David's siblings decided to express their support for this blossoming romance in a very meaningful way. David's siblings gifted Barbie a stunning piece of jewelry, a lovely necklace that symbolizes family and unity. How sweet is that? This gesture reveals just how they feel about Barbie. It's not merely a gift, it's a warm invitation into their family. We reached out to David's siblings to hear their thoughts on their new sister-in-law. And guess what? They had nothing but kind words to say about Barbie. One sibling mentioned, Barbie is like a breath of fresh air. She fits right in. Another added, honestly, we love her. She's so genuine and kind. David is lucky to have her. Now, let's talk about Barbie's reaction. She was absolutely overjoyed with the gift. In her Instagram post, she shared a heartfelt message expressing her gratitude. She said, feeling blessed to be welcomed into such a loving family. Can you feel the love? And we can't forget about David. He has been an incredibly supportive partner, saying, family means everything to me, and seeing how they embrace Barbie makes me so happy. It's clear this relationship is built on strong foundations. Fans are absolutely loving this. Comments like, Barbie is the perfect match for David, and I can't wait to see them as a family, are pouring in. It's evident that everyone is rooting for them. So, what's next for our favorite couple? With such a supportive family and a deepening bond, we can only imagine beautiful things ahead. Will we see wedding bells in the future? Only time will tell. That wraps up today's heartwarming story. What do you think about David's siblings welcoming Barbie? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on your favorite stars. Until next time, keep spreading love. Bye.
Oh, ayan mga kabarda ha, love lang. Huwag tayong masyadong mainit ang ulo at magpapadala sa ating bugso ng damdamin. Well, patungkol naman dito sa video na to, mga ka-showbiz, hindi ko pa naman din sigurado. At habang ginagawa ko ang video na to, ay tuloy pa rin kami sa paghahanap doon sa sinasabi na nagregalo yung kapatid ni David Licauco kay Barbie Forteza na necklace. Medyo busy lang po tayo mga ka-showbiz, pero i-update ko kayo next video natin. Sa ngayon, para sa akin, kung ito may tunay na mayroon regalo na ibinigay kay Barbie Forteza at nagsisimbolize gaya na sinabi niya ng pagtanggap ng buong pamilya kay Barbie Forteza, maganda po yun para sa akin na solid tagahanga ng Barda at gustong magkatuluyan si David Licauco at Barbie Forteza. Well, baka dun sa iba naman na puro paninira lang ang gustong gawin sa Barda, lalo kila Barbie at kay David, malamang uusok ang mga mga negative vibes sa mga sarili dahil hindi nila matatanggap yan mga ka-showbiz. Pero gaya nga ng sinabi ko, para sa ating mga tagahanga ng Barda, malamang matutuwa tayo na sana totoo yung sinasabi ng channel nito. Bagamat wala naman siyang matinding resibo ika nga sa sa video niya. Ako positive pa rin talaga ako, mga ka-showbiz, na may ganun na tanggap talaga si Barbie Fortesa ng pamilya ni David Licauco. Siyempre napakaswerte na nila kay Barbie. Mapera na, maganda, sexy, at sigurado kung magiging mahusay siyang kabiyak ni David Licauco pagdating ng araw. Kayo mga ka-showbiz, ano ang masasabi nyo sa video na to? At komento lang kayo dyan sa ating comment section. Pag-uusapan po natin yan. At syempre pupusuan ko yan, mga ka-showbiz. Para sa mga bagong balitang showbiz, ugaling tumutok dito sa ating channel at mag-subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell para laging mauna ka sa mga bagong balitang showbiz.